Hi guys, welcome back to Heartfilia Railway. So, I don't have a fiddle yard on this layout because Heartfilia Railway is only 7 foot by 4 foot. Way too small for a fiddle yard. And the room is not big enough to fit one in. So, I had to come up with an ingenious solution to keep my model trains nice and safe. I'm going to show you that now. Hi! Behold! Not a fiddle yard, but a fiddle drawer. Yes, a fiddle drawer. So what this does, this literally very gently slide it out all the way to here. Look at all the trains. Fiddle drawer. Wonderful solution. Quick and simple. Let me grab the camera and I'll give you a close-up. So this, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is the fiddle drawer. And as you can quite clearly see, it is made just from a bit of scraps of wood put together, an MDF base, and under there you can see there's two legs, that one and that one, which support the entire construction. They're linked underneath the bottom of the board, all together and act as sliders. And with the extra length on it means I can pull it out all the way out to here. You can see it quite clearly away from the railway. So I can get a decent view of the trains and do some maintenance or cleaning or whatever while they're still on the tracks. So the idea behind this is originally I had a board, just a piece of wood with a load of tracks on that used to sit under where all that mess is. That mess had to be cleared away while I work on this drawer so that it works. So I had this piece of board with all these tracks on just for my locomotives to sit on so they won't get damaged when they're underneath and out of the way. However, I ran out of tracks. I ran out of tracks for them and I ran out of space. So I built this, and I also found it hard to get my hands underneath here all the time and pick them up, and they were getting a bit knocked around. So this way I can go in, I can pick any train that I want, lift it out with ease, check it, make sure it's all alright, and then just simply place her neatly down on the railway, ready to run. It needs to go on, there we go. And once that's done, all I have to do is, you can do this with two hands, or you can do it with one, lift and gently push the fiddle drawer back underneath, out of the way. Good night, trains. And there we have it. There's a few legs on the front here, just two support legs. Ignore all the mess underneath the railway. That'll be sorted out soon. Just to support it while you're pulling it out. Wood is nice and strong when in that vertical fashion. So it's nice and strong to make some legs. Just a little mock-up. I thought I'd show you that today. One good feature about the fiddle drawer, which I do like, is the ability for extension. So I can move some of these tracks closer together if I want a smaller gap to put more tracks in. Over here, I've got more room. I've kind of spaced this out to fill it up a little bit. There's still some tracks to go in here. And I can move these up and probably get more tracks in here. And I can put engines behind engines. And this means that when I'm going in, I've not to reach over them, I've not got to pull them out. I can just go directly on top. So this is my alternative to a fiddle yard. Behold, the fiddle drawer of Heartfilia Railway. I just realised that sounded like Jeremy Clarkson. The fiddle drawer of Heartfilia Railway. Yeah, that's more like it, isn't it? So yeah. Like always, just a quick little thing I wanted to show you. Not much else to do really. I've got quite a few things to do. I've got those shops over there which are finished now, and a few more things to do. Let's put little Mayuri back in the fiddle drawer. It's really that easy. Of course, if you're wanting something where you can set trains up in long processions with carriages and trucks and all sorts, you're going to want some sort of a yard. But this room is not big enough for that, unfortunately. So I'll have to do with the fiddle drawer for now. I'll keep you updated on updates to the railway. Remember to hit like, remember to subscribe to videos, and let me know what you think of this ingenious idea. I could put it on rollers eventually, I'm not quite sure. At now it's a temporary measure to keep all the trains safe. Thank you for watching, hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.